Good morning, DIYers. I am replacing my water pump today, and this is the new water pump I'm replacing. It's a aftermarket part, and it's made by Premium. Okay, here are both water pumps. This is my original Honda 2002 water pump. That's the original Honda, and as you can see, it needs to be replaced. It's dirty. It needs to be replaced. My new one is on the right hand side, which is here. So I am replacing the water pump. Let's get busy. Okay, DIYers, we are going to put the multi-purpose grease on the. We're going to put a small tab on it on the water pump. Okay, so this is the multi-purpose grease. All right. Okay, so here is the water pump. We're going to put the multi-purpose grease going around it. Not much, just a dab, just to go around it, so we can get this in. Like I said, I apologize. It's a little windy today, so camera which it is. Yeah, wind's acting up today. Yeah, this is, let me get this rest of the grease on here. Alrighty, let's see. Get the rest of this grease. Let me make sure I'm in here. Okay. So we're just going to go all the way around before I attach the water pump. Go around the whole thing. Both sides. Alrighty, that should do it. Alright, let's get this water pump on here. I'm going to start with the top bolt, just to get it screwed in. Let's see. Okay, where's that top bolt? Over here. Hold a second. Where's that? Okay. There we go. Just want to get it screwed in, then I'll go. I'm gonna have to go from the bottom. Just want to get this top one screwed in though. Get me started. Okay. Okay, let me get these other two started. Get them screwed in. Tell you what, it's easier putting the parts back on than taking them off, let me tell you, because I came into some challenges taking them off. So it's gonna be a pleasure putting it back on. Okay, let me see. Try to get in here. Okay, got that one screwed in. There's 6 bolts that screw in for the power steering pump. There's 6 of them. Okay, that's 2. Get the third one started. Okay, that's 3. Then I got to go to the bottom and get a couple of these other ones started because they're a little tougher. Okay, so that's 3. Okay, I'm going to go to the bottom of the vehicle. Alrighty, get under here, get this going down here. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to get my ratchet. I'm gonna have to get my ratchet for get these bottom bolts in. Give me a sec. Alright. Okay, let's try to get this going here. Let's see. Okay. This is easier down here. Get this going. Okay, let's see. All right. So right, get it going. See. Okay, let me get this in here. Okay, we got that one going. Where's the other one? Let's see. We got one up there. Okay, let's see. Put that in there. Get this going. That one going. Okay, let me get these bottom ones going. Okay, I got them bottom bolts on, so let me finish off with these ones. Let me see. This third bolt's a little tricky. I'm gonna try to get it from here. Let me see. Oh, I don't know if I can go to extension. Let me see. I'll save that one last. Let me get these three up here. Okay. Screw these on. Let me do this. Like I said, it's a lot easier putting your parts back on than taking them off. So, this is good. Get these last two. Actually got three. I got to get that one down there. I'm gonna have to probably go a longer extension. We'll see. Let's see. Just got to get these in, then I'll screw them in. Okay, now I can tighten them. It is windy, y'all. It is windy. Let's see. Okay, it's in there. That's in there. Okay. Okay, that's in there. Let me see. Okay, this last one's a little tricky. I had to use my extension. I'm trying to screw it in as best I can. Then I can use this little 10mm I have up here to finish it off. So let me get in there as tight as I can with this socket. Had to go in from the bottom. It's getting there. It is getting there. Okay, there it is. Let me pull this out. Then I'll finish it up with the 10mm ratchet. Or wrench, rather. Let's see. Ratchet, wrench, one of the two. That way, that way, that way. Okay, I should be able to get it from here. I think. Well, let me see. I got. Okay. Let's make it a little tighter until I can get this 10mm around it. It's got to go slow, but it's part of it. Let me see. See if I can get this on. Nope. Let me see. I don't want to strip it. So, all right, let me try to go back down on the bottom and see if I can get this in there. Okay, let me finish it off. I got most of it from the bottom, so now I can finish this off here at the top. Let me see, maybe I'll get this in here. See. Okay, we're getting there. It's the last one. It's always the last ones that give you the most problems, huh? Because of the angle. Let me see. Okay, let me see if I can get this on there and finish it off. There we go. All right, got that on there. Okay. Okay, water pump is on. Yes, sir. Water pump is on. All right. Happy about it. Water pump's done.